Well, we are hearing from the Olmsted County Sheriff's Office for the first time about its thoughts on Minnesota's new red flag gun law that went into effect yesterday. Now, this law allows family members and law enforcement to request a court judge to execute an extreme risk protection order to temporarily remove guns from those who could be a risk to themselves or others. KIMT News 3's Brandon Cote joins us live from outside the Olmsted County Sheriff's Office after speaking with Sheriff Torgerson. Brandon.
Yeah, Sanana, Sheriff Torgerson and I had a really good conversation about it earlier today, and he said the county started preparing for the new law back in May when the piece of legislation passed it during the legislative session. And he also says that there are certain benefits to the law, but there is one major drawback. Sheriff Torgerson says county deputies are ready to carry out these new legal protections because they already execute similar protocols with restraining orders and orders of protection. He also reviewed the new law to his team and with the help of the Minnesota Bureau of Criminal Apprehension. Sheriff Torgerson believes it will be beneficial when dealing with those experiencing a mental health crisis. However, he says the county rarely sees cases where these types of orders are required. The one issue he is seeing with the new law is family members being able to keep the firearms away and safe from the gun owner.
If the person is ordered to give up their weapons to whomever, and they go there, and then that person at some point in time gives them back or doesn't secure them well enough, and this person still has access, that's a problem.
Now, the law says the petitioner's identity does remain anonymous when they do make this request to the court, but Sheriff Torgerson does tell me that the person who had the order made against them will most of the time likely know that who the party is that made that request. Live in Rochester, Brandon Cote, KIMT News 3.
Thank you so much, Brandon. And the county says it reached out to other law enforcement agencies of similar sizes in other states who possess the same law to learn the best ways to handle the new rules.